the last connector of the space station. Now I'm going to connect the Shenzhou SpaceCraft. There. Are you enjoy that? Did you like the space station we have now? I will make a new one using this Lego. What do you think, guys? The Shenzhou SpaceCraft. We already have the space station here, but now we're going to build the other space station, the number 8 space station. And guys, I hope you enjoy and always be safe from COVID. Are you ready to start to build it? Yes! Come on and see how to build it.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Now I'm going to unbox the Shenzhou SpaceCraft. Let's start. My brother will open it.
Bring it.
Hello guys, I'm Monkey here. Thanks for my unboxing the box. Today I'm going to build the Shenzhou space station. No, I'm going to build that. And stop arguing. Stop arguing. What do you mean? I will build that. No, I am. Stop arguing. I will build that.
It's okay, it's okay.
I am the Shenzhou builder. No, I am. Stop arguing. I am. Guys, the dude doesn't like me to build the Shenzhou SpaceCraft. Now we have all the parts we need to build it. But the most important is the instructions. You know why? To know how to follow and know how to build the Sluban Lego Shenzhou SpaceCraft.
Appear! Are you appear?
and hit the like button. Thanks. And we'll start now how to build it.
Next one. No. It was there. Ah, okay. Yeah. Anyone else? Can you move it little bit, your hand in the middle? Yeah. Yeah, but do it like this way. Turn it. Aywa, yeah, like that. Bravo.
I
What's
think
wrong?
this one wrong. This not this one. Thank you guys for subscribing, hitting the notification bell. If you want more of my videos, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Now we are almost done. Now we are in the last part, the solar parts. Are you enjoying watching, guys? Yes or no? Now we're going to put it together.
watching us how to build it. If you are, thumbs up. If you are not, thumbs down. But then we build the better one, okay? But it's
little more tiny.
so don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!
One more.
Now I'm going to connect the Shenzhou SpaceCraft.
Okay.
There. Are you enjoy that? Did you like the space station we have now? I will make a new one using this Lego. What do you think, guys? We are done, but I will try to find the last part of the space station. And I hope you enjoy it too much or about our video. Have you enjoyed, guys?
Yeah.
Okay? If you enjoy it, okay? If you enjoy it, right, guys? Okay, me too. I enjoy my video too. Let's complete the 8 parts of the space station. Now we just need one part left. This part, the number 4th one. Here. That has a solar in its front. Watch me for the last space station, the number 4th